When you're just starting out in your video or filmmaking career, it can be really tough to keep your editing projects organized.
Sorting through all of the folders and keeping everything in the right place isn't only difficult and time-consuming, but it's absolutely crucial in case you ever need to reopen one of your projects in the future.
In this short video series, I'm going to show you my method to sorting through the madness and keeping everything organized. First, I want to clarify that this is just the way that I do it. As you get started, you might find ways that you like a little bit better than mine, and that's totally okay.
First, let's create our project folder. I like to name my projects like this: year-month-day_, and then a quick project name. Then, within my project folder, I'm going to add 3 more folders: hashtag finals, elements, and project files. The hashtag in front of finals ensures that the folder is always at the top. Within elements, I'm going to create 5 more folders: audio, images, footage, renders, and scripts. But we still need to go a little deeper, so let's open the audio folder. Within audio, we're going to create 3 more folders: music, sound effects, and production audio.
Files like my interview audio recordings get put away in the production audio bin.
Now we only have 1 more folder to create, a previous versions folder within our hashtag finals folder.
I've found through working with various clients that having a folder like this is really useful in case they want to go back to a previous version of the project.
Now that we've got our folder structure out of the way, here's my favorite part. You can copy this entire folder structure and paste it into a new folder, which we'll call hashtag video project template. That way, whenever you start a new project, all you have to do is copy this template folder and rename it. This makes the process super quick and means you won't have to spend a bunch of time at the beginning of each project making tons of folders.
On the next part of this series, I'm going to show you how I organize my Premiere and After Effects projects.
If you're interested in a career in filmmaking, music production, animation, or even mobile app development, acting, makeup, and more, check out MediaTech Institute. They're an amazing and very hands-on school that offers incredible programs on each of those career paths. If you're interested in getting a jump start in your media career, go to mediatek.edu and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos.